Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to be trying out a new coffee machine for the very first time. I've always been a pod coffee kind of guy. I decided to upgrade. Let me introduce you to the Ninja Luxe Café. In this video I will be unboxing and showing step by step how to get started with the Ninja Luxe coffee machine. It will be a long video. Feel free to use the timestamps to hop around to the part you want to watch. As always, if you want to pick this up or know more about it, click the first link in the description box below. If you find the video useful, please leave a like and please subscribe to watch more reviews. A lot of effort has gone into this packaging. It looks really nice. Start here, scan here to get started. Ninja certified, inspirational guide. Paperwork, quick start guide. Some paperwork for descaling the machine, cleaning tablets, water hardness test, descaling powder, cleaning disc, filter housing, cup tray, funnel, tamper, this is spring loaded, single basket, Luxe basket, double basket, portafilter. That's what it looks like from the bottom, where the drink's going to pour out from. The milk jug. This is how much milk we will need to put in. So if you're making a latte, you'll fill it till there, and then cappuccino till there. We have some markings on the inside as well, minimum and maximum. It has a whisk in there which can be removed to clean. I thought I'll show you the back of the machine first. There is a fixed cord and it's a decent length. It's a 3-pin one because I'm in the UK. Water tank. On this side we have room for the funnel that stays in there, and the tamper would stay in here. The grind dial here. On this side you could see the markings of the tank. We have the accessory storage tray here. I forgot to show you the cleaning brush. I had it already in there. The cleaning brush would live in there. Cleaning disc. The Luxe basket. Then I'm going to put the single basket in there. You could put the double basket in there as well, but I'm going to leave the double basket in the portafilter. At the top, that's the lid for the tank. A QR code here. This will keep our cups warm. And this is where you will put your coffee beans, and it's letting us know there, use whole beans only. You could remove this to give it a clean. Just twist it, pull it upwards. That's what the inside looks like. We get a 2-litre water tank. We have some markings here. The filter will sit in there. That there will lift up when we need to empty this, so we could remove the full thing. You just pull it out. It just slides back into place. The cup tray would go in either one of these. Steam wand, the jug will go in there. Once you remove the jug, push the wand back there and purge in there. In here where it says grind, it has a scale in there. See that little orange dot there where it says insert? Portafilter has an orange dot as well. We match this up with that first, and then we twist it towards the lock position. You twist this the other way around, and then remove it. Before I turn the machine on, let's get testing the water first. We submerge this into the water for 5 to 10 seconds. Now we wait a minute, just leave it on top of there. Until the test strip is ready, I thought I'll put the filter in the water because I need to leave it in there for 5 minutes. I should also mention that you only need to perform this step when you change your filter. The machine will let you know when you need to change your filter. Looking at the strip, water hardness is on number 1. The filter has been sat in that cup for 5 minutes. Now I need to take the filter out of the cup, take it to the sink and run water over it for a minute while massaging the filter. I have massaged the filter under running water for a minute and it's feeling a lot better now. So now we need to place this in its housing. Put the filter in there. That dial there where it says replace, you've got to place that 2 months forward. I've put this to January. We place this in here. I'm going to go fill the water tank up now. HD, so that's the water hardness. Let's look at the machine. We'll start from the left side first. That's on off, start grind button, descale button, that's the strength, current 24, recommended 24, hot water button. Here are the different espressos you choose: espresso, quad, americano, cold pressed, Luxe if we are using the Luxe basket. This dial to start brewing, and this is also your selection dial. At the top here, coffee, classic, rich, over ice or cold brew, cup size of froth, and we have different froth levels. Milk you are using, if dairy milk or if plant-based, we'd select that from this button here. Clean button, purge button, and that's the froth on-off button. I've removed the tray from the bottom because we need to flush the machine. We get the portafilter. You're going to need a jug or a cup, 420 milliliters at least. We select classic, cup size M+, it's already on M+, and then we just push start brew. This will take around 2 minutes. Okay, the flush cycle is complete. Now I'm going to get rid of the water and then we need to prep the machine. To flush the machine every time you change the filter. You do not need to flush the machine every time you fill your water tank. I'm going to put the coffee beans in. I bought some of these coffee beans. So we need to perform 2 or 3 cycles on the machine. Whenever you are going to put the portafilter into grind, we always need to attach the funnel. The current is 24 and that's recommended 12. So I change this down to 12. Push start grind. Tap it a few times, get the tamper, push that down. Now we remove the funnel. Now we put this in here. It's picked it up, it's saying double start brew. Once this is made, I'm going to get rid of this. Then I'm going to perform this cycle again. I'm also going to get rid of that. You don't have to, you can drink it if you want. So notice how the recommended size has changed now. It's gone from 12 to 7. As you can see, that will not be a good coffee. So I'm going to get rid of this and then I'm going to run this cycle again. You can also adjust the strength from here as well. Let's make a coffee in the Ninja Luxe Café. I have the double basket in there. You always must use the funnel. If you put the portafilter in there without the funnel, the machine will say insert funnel. So you could see now it's saying current 8 and recommended 8. So I'm good to go. I just press start brew. I have the milk there, but we can't make the coffee and the milk at the same time. You can stack them so the coffee will get made first and then the milk. I'll put the milk to where it says cappuccino. The selection for the milk has come up. We leave it on number 2 because that's what is recommended. The milk I'm using is dairy. Start. This takes slightly longer than the coffee. Just get a damp cloth now and run it over this one. Push it back. You can see the milk there. There we have a cappuccino. All I need to do is add sweetener or sugar to my liking and I can enjoy a perfectly brewed coffee at home. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please leave a like and please subscribe to watch more reviews. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.